Hi, this is Steve at Hilltops IT, and I'd like to give you a quick introduction to QuoteWerks. It's going to be very quick. I'm going to try and get through this as quickly as possible for you so that it doesn't take up too much of your time. But of course, come back to me or one of the team if you are interested in what you're seeing. So I've got QuoteWerks open here. I've just got a blank quote, nothing special about this. A few default values which are entered in, all of which are configurable. What I'm going to do first of all is select my contact, Chris, who's just phoned me to ask me for a quote. I can just whoosh these details in because I'm integrated with ACT. That's just pulling in the current contact details. Alternatively, I could do a more traditional type of search on the database. All contact managers work similarly to this in terms of QuoteWerks integration with the retrieve current and search options. See here, QuoteWerks does support quite a number of different contact managers. It does have its own. It's more of a Rolodex rather than a full CRM package, but you don't have to be manually entering all these details time and time again. It should just be a few clicks, as I've shown you there. To get my items onto the quote, I could go via bundles, which are groups of items, or my configurator, which is a kind of path to selecting the items. More about those another time. I'm just going to go for my products list. The demo set of data is all around audio-visual equipment. We've got CDs, DVDs, preamps, radios. It's a HD TV that Chris has asked me for, or rather two he's asked me for actually. I'm going to select the 56-inch TV. He wants two of those, and I'm just going to add that onto my quote. I'm also going to offer him some optional warranty on that as well. And just close that down. So you can see the items have come onto my quote. QuoteWerks is also showing me my profit margin here, both in terms of a percentage and also a cash value. I haven't got a price on this warranty. I've got to phone my broker. That's for argument's sake. He offered me warranty on that for £250. I'm going to make myself a small markup on that just so as my sales manager doesn't get upset that we're not making money at every opportunity. But equally, Chris is an incredibly good customer of mine. So what I'm going to do is just subtotal this lot here, right at the bottom there. So we've got the total of the TV and the warranty as well. I'm then going to offer Chris a discount from buying from me because he is such a good guy. I'm going to offer him 15%. As you can see, we're still making a healthy, well, knocking on 20% margin and still £1,414. So my sales manager isn't going to complain about that. Just for the purpose of the layout, I'm not going to print that line, just so as it looks a little bit tidier. And I did say that this was an option, so let's just make that optional. It's ticked. Okay, and if we review that in the deliver window, just select my template there, just preview it. You can see all the details are populated for me. All of this is very, very configurable. We can do all sorts with this layout. This is just the default one that you'll get provided with the demo download. Looking at the details here, we can see we've got our two HD TVs, which is what Chris asked me for. We've also got the two optional warranties. See here, optional selected, and we've got our 15% discount. One thing I haven't done is add any shipping. I forgot about that. So let's just close that and add shipping. Again, I'll have to phone my DHL or whoever I choose to use. Let's say they're going to cost me £100. I'm not just going to cover the admin on that. So just make a small profit and just OK that. So that quote, once I save it, is ready to go. To send it out, I'm just going to click deliver and email. Again, all the details are populated for me, including part of the email body, which I can just complete something like that and send. So within a few minutes, and that's with my chatting, within a few minutes we've created our first quote and sent it off to our customer. Hope you like what you've seen. If you'd like to get in touch, you can get in touch with us via the website, which is www.hilltopsit.co.uk. Several phone numbers for you: 0844 357 7360 if you want the local rate, or 0344 357 7360. That should be free from mobiles as well as any UK landlines, depending on your package. You can also email us, info at, sales at, inquiries at, take your pick, but please get in touch. We really like QuoteWerks and what it's done for our business. We hope you'll like it too, and hope that you'll talk to us and we can help you improve your business processes. Thanks for watching.